Same cough, different patterns, so matching still matters. Think use case matching, not random tips, and results get clearer fast. Matching matters because the same symptom can come from different patterns. For 7 days, reduce irritation at night and track cough and throat dryness. Use case: dry cough with throat irritation, worse at night. Chuan Bei Pipa Gao is one option. Mai Men Dong Tong often fits when you see dryness pattern cough with dry throat and light sleep. Do not guess by symptom alone. Pick the lane, then run a clean mini test. Share what happens, when it happens, and what worsens it at HerbHelper.com.